Hi boys and girls, welcome to today's lesson where we're going to sort 3D shapes based on their features. So in today's lesson, you're going to identify what these objects' features are and then sort them into groups. Okay, we're going to look at these 3D objects down here and we're going to sort them according to whether they have curved faces, flat faces, or whether they have both. Okay, let's have a look at the first one here. Remember, this is like a ball, a sphere, okay? Now, are its faces curved, flat, or both? Well, it's round, isn't it? So that means curved. So it doesn't have any flat faces at all. It belongs in curved. This next shape here, it has triangle and rectangle, but they're all flat. They're not round or curved at all. So it has flat faces only. Okay, this next shape here, the pyramid, so it's got, remember, it's got lots of triangle faces and a square one down the bottom. So none of these are curved, they're all flat. It belongs to the flat group. Okay, the next one here, this looks like a box, remember? It's got all square faces which are flat. None of them are round, so it belongs in the flat group. Let's look at our next shape, this one. Well, remember, this is like our cans and our glue stick. It's a cylinder. It's got a circle there and down the bottom. And then this bit here is completely curved. So it has flat on top and down the bottom, but then this part here is curved. So it has both flat faces and curved faces. All right, let's have a look at the next one here. Oh, this is our cone. Remember, it's like an ice cream cone. So it has a flat bottom, that's a circle shape, but then this part here is curved. So it's got one flat and one curved. So it has both. It belongs in the group with the cylinder. And our lucky last one here, well, this looks like a box again, like a tissue box. This one has all rectangle faces that are flat. So it belongs in the flat group. So we have just thought about whether these shapes have curved faces, flat faces, or whether they have both curved and flat. Now, the next one, now we're going to look at these same shapes, but we're going to talk about whether they would roll, whether they would stack, or whether they could do both. So if a shape can roll, it means it's going to have a curved face. If it stacks, it means it's got to have a flat face. And some of these shapes might be able to do both, roll and stack. So let's get sorting. Our first one here is our ball, our sphere. So it's only got curved. So what could it do? It could only roll. It definitely wouldn't be able to stack. Okay, the next one here has got all flat faces. That's right, it could only stack on top of something. It wouldn't be able to roll at all. Our next shape is all flat faces as well, so it could only stack. Now with these two shapes that we've looked at, look at the top of them. Could we put anything on top of them? No, because it's pointy. So we could put them on top of something else, but we wouldn't be able to build on top of them. All right, the next one here, this is our box shape, our cube. Remember, it's got all flat faces. Yes, it's a stack shape. Okay, next one here. This is like our glue stick. It's a cylinder. It has a flat face here and down the bottom. And then this part here is curved. Oh, so it has flat and curved. If I turned it on its side, it would be, so if I turned it this way, it would be able to roll, wouldn't it? And if I turn it this way, it can stack. So this is one of the both shapes. It can do rolling and it can do stacking. Okay, let's have a look at another one. Our cone, because it's like an ice cream cone. Okay, it's got a flat face at the bottom, and then this part here is curved. So I could stack it. If I held it like this, I could put it on top of another shape and it would stay there. If I turned it like this, it would roll. So this one also belongs to both. And our last one here, it's a bit like a box again too, like a tissue box. Now, it's only got flat faces, so we would only be able to stack this one. All right, now you know what curved and flat faces are and what 3D objects have those. And now you know what 3D objects can roll or stack or do both. Head back on over to the wiki and check out what your practice task is for today.